Hey guys, just quick note. You'll notice when this video starts I said Pontiac Grand Prix when it's a Pontiac vibe. Just figured I'd let you know ahead of time, because when I was editing it and I seen it, if I could do a bunch of little laugh faces I would, because I didn't realize I said Grand Prix when I was working on a vibe. Enjoy the video. Today is video on the Grand Prix. It's the mass airflow sensor. Basically what I'm doing today is I'm going to be cleaning the one I have. But good tip, older vehicles, depending if you live up in the salt plain or whatever, if you have some corrosion on these Phillip head screws, just go ahead. I've already gave them a dab of the Tri-Flow. This stuff is, it's wonderful. But I've already did that. So, and then let it soak for about a minute. And just get you a Phillips head. Undo the screw. You can set the little screws right over here in this little head part of the headlight assembly. But before we go any further, let's go ahead and unplug this. Well, looks like I'm not going to be able to unplug it. Maybe here in a second. I probably need two hands. But this is actually a Denso part, which is Toyota, even though this is a Pontiac. But the condition of the bolts actually look pretty good. So let's go ahead and pull the mass airflow sensor out. Okay. She looks good. A little dirty on this side, so we're gonna give her a clean. I'm gonna work on getting this off so I can actually make sure I can get the sensor clean pretty good, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I got it off. I did have to use both hands. One hold this and then pull. This was on there. Good. But always check the inside here. I don't see any corrosion, which is good. Because if you're having mass airflow sensor issues, you always want to check for corrosion. But as you see, this side's nice and pretty clean. That side's pretty dirty. So I'm going to use my CRC mass airflow sensor, and we're going to go ahead and spray that. Give mine a little shake. It's been sitting up on the shelf for a little while. Only thing I can say, there's not many flat spots on these vibes. So let's get the needle out. Alright. Let me do this somewhere other than on the car. We'll clean it right here. Just give it a spray. Turn it over. All right. Now, as you can see, both sides are nice and shiny. So, go ahead and let this dry off. Yeah, better light. And if you're just replacing yours, it's done just the same way. So now, make sure that's clean in there. There's a little O-ring around there. Make sure it's good, because we have nice and tight seal. All right. Wiggle it back in. Get your screws. Pop it back in. Phillips head. Tighten one, but don't snug it all the way down. Kind of work this down because there is a gasket in there. Kind of like that, back and forth. That one's nice and snug. And that side's nice and snug. And then plug in your new one or the one you just cleaned. I would always say clean your mass airflow sensor first unless it's damaged. Because it's a lot cheaper to buy a can of this and do preventive maintenance on it and clean it every now and then. If you're, or because that's a lot cheaper than actually having to buy a mass airflow sensor. But that's the location, right by the airbox. Oh, could be another reason. Getting too much air draw. The box was undone. I must have did that. But there you go. All right. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell. Do it if you want to. But anyways, remember, if it's broke, fix it. Thanks for watching.